Hey guys, welcome to the Apryse Boston office. Why don't you follow me and I'll show you around.
Located on the second floor of a restored industrial building, we're right in the heart of the SOA neighborhood of Boston. The open concept design offers tons of different spaces to catch up and collaborate, including 2 private soundproof call booths, great for taking meetings. In this office, we've got a mixture of our sales, product, development, customer success, and other teams. And let's go check out the lunchroom.
So this is our kitchen area, where we like to come hang out, snack, and just get away from our desks. There's also assorted coffees, teas, and espressos to keep the creative juices flowing.
Now onto the boardroom. This is the space where we host clients, team meetings, as well as connect with our other offices around the world via virtual calls.
So we're now in one of our 2 gaming areas. The spaces are both equipped with Xboxes, smart TVs, lounge chairs, and other games. They're great spaces to come and break up the day. And currently the crowd favorite is firing up NHL on the big screen TV and seeing the Boston Bruins take on the Vancouver Canucks, another one of our office hub locations. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for stopping by the Apryse Boston office, and we'll see you in the next one.